Good morning. This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. It's Thursday morning, approximately 8 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time. Glad to have you here. With a big sell-off yesterday in the SPY, followed by this bearish Hiromi, we are now below our T-line. This is our trigger line. This puts us in a short-term what we call a swing high sell signal, and the trend is now down if we're trading below the T-line. The SPY is trying to put in a rounded top right here, where if you take this area here, kind of draw your cursor around like that, you can see a rounded top. That suggests a little more downside. Before we see that downside, we could definitely see a little bit of a bounce up, especially after this big day like we had yesterday. The sharp sell-off, where we often seen a slight little rally, slight little bounce, and then head back down. From the shorter picture, the shorter picture says we're going to see rallies up, rallies down, rallies up, rallies down. Bigger picture, we're starting to look at this rounded top right here, and that makes the 200-day moving average become, in a bigger picture, the target. If we change actually to a weekly chart, you can kind of see that rounded top just a little bit better right there. Nice rounded top. And this, if that 200-day on the daily doesn't hold, then we are looking at something probably in this level here, around the 120 mark, give or take a little bit, either side. So this is on a bigger picture. This could change. Rallies, short-term rallies turn into longer-term trends. So if the debt ceiling issue gets solved and the market's happy with it, then the market may want to jump back up and start on its rally and take out some of these highs. But until then, we're going to look at what the current trend is doing by using the T-line that I discovered a few years back, that was a terrific guide for getting you in and out of a position. Combine it with candlesticks, and it also helps you stay on the right side of the trade. A couple little trades I want to share with you. YOKU. We bought this yesterday, even in a down market. We bought YOKU. YOKU acted terrific yesterday, followed by the previous day with this little gap up. Not quite a bull kicker, but certainly is in the ballpark. We do have a bull kicker over here to the left, where it came up, and it is just run to the right. We have a slight little rounded bottom right here, and we're looking at breakout. We get a breakout of the 40.76 level, then I think we could see some money made up in this area. It is now in what we call a swing low buy signal. That's where price has moved up over the T-line. The T-line is the dark black line. Again, that is our short-term trend line. I will be talking more about that, and we'll having a class on that soon. I'll keep you posted. Another one that we bought yesterday, even in a down market. Let's see, ONTY. We bought this ONTY as it pulled down to the 50-day moving average in speculation that it would close above the 50. We bought it knowing that if it closed below the 50, that we would get out of it because it didn't do what we wanted it to do. Well, yesterday it closed with a nice little doji here above the 50, actually above this support area, this little support area right here. The ONTY may want to move sideways and kind of up and down for a little bit till it consolidates enough and gains enough strength to maybe start its next rally to the upside. Our stop will be the 50 minus a few pennies, maybe. Just this real short down there. And I was asked yesterday why I didn't buy any shorts or buy any inverse ETFs. And the reason I didn't is I too busy doing other things yesterday morning. Everything gapped up or down, and I felt I was too late to jump into the market. So I searched for a few possible longs for a little bounce, and that's the reason I chose this path. Um, Again, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Thanks for listening. Members, you can pick up your stock picks and little small market comment on the member side of the website. Thank you very, very much. I do appreciate it. Have a good day. Good trading.